Victory Christian Academy. It's hard to explain the miracles that God has done over the past 2 years. My name is Dan Bybee, and I am the administrator at Victory Christian Academy. We acquired this beautiful property from Cornerstone Christian School, which operated for almost 25 years. It's amazing to see how God worked out all the details. We began in August of 2021 with 130 students in K-4 through the 12th grade in our first year. God has blessed us with wonderful teachers, staff, and students. Victory Christian Academy is a ministry of Victory Baptist Church. Our properties are only a half-mile apart. I'm thankful for the members of Victory Baptist Church for all the prayers and sacrificial giving to the school. At Victory Christian Academy, it is our desire to provide students with a Christian education. We are committed to excellence in academics, and we are determined to instill in our students a desire to know and to love God. We want our students to have an understanding of the Bible and be able to apply the truths of the Word of God in their daily lives. Our students are instructed by qualified, godly teachers. We have chapel services every week. We have prayer and pledges in the classes. Since acquiring this 10-acre property on Woodstore Road, we have been able to see many improvements made to the property and add another building that is used for a cafeteria and an assembly room. We have another building that should be arriving very soon. We have a beautiful gymnasium on our church property for our sports teams and PE classes. Our school programs and graduations are held in our church auditorium. We give God all the glory for what He has done at Victory Christian Academy. We are burdened for the young people of our community, and we want to see young people have the opportunity to receive a Christian education. Please pray for this exciting ministry. If you are interested in learning more about Victory Christian Academy, please contact us. We would love to hear from you.